All right, let's see how to sync files between computers without any software, using Windows' built-in method. Here's how the setup works. Computer 2 has a shared folder on the network, a folder that's been made accessible to other computers on the same local network with read and write permissions. Computer 1 connects to that shared folder over the network, then marks it as always available offline. This tells Windows to create and maintain a local copy of that folder on Computer 1's drive. Sync Center handles the synchronization. It periodically checks the network folder and the local copy and syncs any changes between them. You can configure how often this sync runs, and it works even when the network connection is temporarily unavailable. Changes queue up and sync when connectivity is restored. Both computers need to be on the same local network, wired or Wi-Fi. On Computer 1, the machine you want to sync files to, we need to enable the Offline Files feature first. Open Control Panel. Make sure the view is set to large icons using the drop-down in the top right. Find and click Sync Center. In the left panel, click Manage Offline Files. The Offline Files dialog opens. Click Enable Offline Files. You may be prompted to restart. If so, restart the machine and come back to this step to confirm Offline Files is now enabled. On Computer 2, the machine hosting the shared folder, open File Explorer and navigate to wherever you want to create the shared folder. The C drive or a secondary drive both work fine. Right-click in an empty area, select New, Folder, and name it. I'll use Data Shared for this demo. Now set up network sharing so Computer 1 can reach it. Open Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center. Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under Public Networks, enable Network Discovery, File and Printer Sharing. Under All Networks, also enable Ensure Password-Protected Sharing is configured appropriately for your setup. Under Private Networks, enable Network Discovery, File and Printer Sharing.
Now right-click the Data folder and select Properties, Sharing tab, Share. In the drop-down, add Everyone and set permission level to Read-Write. Click Share. Click Yes for Network Discovery. Windows confirms the folder is shared and shows the network path, something like /computername/data shared. Note this path. You'll need it on Computer 1. Before closing it, click on Network and Sharing Center. Under Private and Public Networks, enable Network Discovery, File and Printer Sharing. Click OK. Back on Computer 1, open File Explorer. Right-click this PC in the left sidebar and select Map Network Drive. Choose a drive letter. Any unused letter works, like Z or Y. In the folder field, type the network path from the previous step, /computername/data shared. The mapped network drive opens in File Explorer, showing the contents of the shared data folder on Computer 2. If Computer 2 requires authentication, check Connect using different credentials and enter the username and password of an account on Computer 2. Now let's copy a few files to the shared folder from Computer 2. The files will be automatically propagated. In File Explorer, locate the mapped network drive, right-click on it, click on Show More Options and select Always Available Offline. Windows begins syncing the folder contents to a local cache on Computer 1. A sync animation appears on the drive icon while this initial sync runs. Once complete, the folder icon shows a sync indicator, confirming offline availability is active. Now, even if Computer 2 is turned off or the network is down, you can still access the files from Computer 1. Any changes you make while offline are stored locally and synced back to Computer 2 when the connection is restored. By default, Sync Center syncs when you connect to the network and when you log in. To set up more frequent automatic syncing, open Control Panel, Sync Center. Find your network folder in the list, right-click it, and select Schedule. Click Next. Click At a Scheduled Time. Choose your sync frequency. For 2 computers you're actively using, syncing every few minutes to every hour is practical, depending on how frequently files change. Click Next. Give the schedule a name, something like Network Data Sync. Click Save Schedule. Sync Center now runs automatically on this schedule, keeping Computer 1's local copy synchronized with Computer 2's shared folder. Let's confirm the sync works correctly in both directions. Computer 1 to Computer 2. Create a text file in the Data folder on Computer 1, write something in it, and save. Wait for the next scheduled sync or manually trigger one in Sync Center by clicking Sync All. Open the same file on Computer 2, the content from Computer 1 appears. Computer 2 to Computer 1. Edit the same file on Computer 2, add some text, and save. After the sync runs, open the file on Computer 1. The changes from Computer 2 are there. Sync Center caches the synced files locally on Computer 1. By default, Windows allocates a percentage of your disk space for this cache. You can adjust this limit. Open Control Panel, Sync Center, Manage Offline Files, Disk Usage tab. Click Change Limits to adjust how much storage the offline file cache is allowed to use. If you're syncing a large folder, increase this limit to ensure everything caches correctly. File synchronization between 2 Windows computers using nothing but built-in features. No Dropbox account, no OneDrive, no third-party software. The setup takes about 10 minutes, and once the schedule is configured, it runs automatically in the background. Drop a comment if you hit any issues during the network sharing or mapping steps. The most common sticking points are network profile settings and authentication, and both are usually quick fixes. Please hit a like and subscribe to the channel. I post practical Windows guides every day. Thanks for watching.